Hi guys, it's LeJanaro back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So I'm coming back with another easy spring summer make that you guys can make if you're looking for something quick and easy to sew. That is McCall's 8084. I said that all wrong. That's 8064. So it's McCall's 8064. There it is there. Right. It is a dress pattern. I've actually made this pattern before, but I had to buy a larger size. So I bought the larger size and I'm going to make it again. Very easy, quick and easy sew. Is let me see, 4 pattern pieces, I believe: the front, the back, the neckband, and the sleeves. I'm gonna make view C, but I'm gonna make it with short sleeves, and I'm going to use the length for view, well, the shorter length of the two. Or how many views are on here? This has views A through F, so it's a lot of views on here. You can make the short length, mid length, or long length for this. You can do the long maxi. I was gonna do the long maxi, but I decided to just go ahead and do the shorter one. I don't know why that was escaping me. I'm making it out of one of the fabrics that I got from Walmart, out of the bundle. So I'm making it out of this one. And if I can get it to act right. Having a hard time here. So I'm making it out of this print that I got from Walmart, one of the jersey knits. And if it works out, I'm going to pull the other one out and I'm going to make another version of it. And I know it's shocking. It's a dress. I'm about to make a dress. Yes. Like I said, I made this many, many years ago. I don't think there's a tutorial on the channel for this particular pattern. I probably did a video talking about it. Maybe. I don't remember. However, there's a simplicity pattern, and I'll pop it up here on the screen, that is very similar to this, that I did do a tutorial on. So I will link that in the description box below. But this McCall's 8064 is a very easy sew, minimal pattern pieces, and you can have a cute spring summer outfit. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and sew this up, and then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. All right, so here is the finished look of the dress. It is a little big here, but all my tops are. So I can't remember what size I cut. I think I cut a 22. Don't quote me. But whatever I cut in the top part, like under this part here, I need to go down a size so it'll come in a little more under my arms and then flare out at the hips. But other than that, very comfortable dress, very easy sew. The pattern has different versions on it, so you can do a shorter length like I did, or you can do a maxi length. I made a maxi length a couple of years ago out of the pattern. I had bought it again because I needed a different size, but very easy. So I will probably pull out that other jersey knit fabric that I got from Walmart and make another version of the dress, or make the same version, just different fabric. Only thing about that fabric is it rolls. I don't know if you all ever sewed with the ITY or a jersey knit that it kind of rolls a little bit. I want to say, trying to see if I, yep. So here it is. You see how it's rolling like that? This fabric does that. So if that's something that aggravates you, keep that in mind when you're getting the Walmart fabric in the bundles. I mean, you can stretch it out. And it actually, I'm not real sure if it's even a jersey knit, because it has like has like a French terry backing, but it's not as thick as some other French terry fabrics. But anyway, yeah, it rolls. I know some people hate that because it was such an easy sew, front, back, sleeve, neckband. It didn't bother me too much. The only time that it probably caused the hindrance was when I was hemming. So I did serge my edges, even though it's a knit, and it didn't really need serging. I did still serge it because one, I wanted to see if it would straighten out some of this rolling that it does, and also I don't see one on here now, but this fabric, if you snag it, like if you have like a nail or something that's breaking and you snag this fabric, it pulls. It's hard to explain. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So you have to be very careful with that fabric. Make sure you don't have any nail. My nails tend to break at the nail bed, so sometimes I don't see it, so it may catch on some fabric, and that fabric unravels or something like that. So that's one of the reasons why I serged it, and I also wanted to see if it would help with the rolling that it does. But what I did after I serged the ends, I pressed up my hem. So whatever hem I did, whether it was 3/4 or an inch, I pressed it up with the iron first, and then I did my hem for the dress. But overall, very easy pattern. I know that I did a simplicity pattern that is very similar to that dress. I will link that below, but very, very easy. So something great for spring and summer that you can put together in under 2 hours. It's beginner friendly, so I highly recommend it for beginners as well. And you can grab you some cute knit fabric and you can have a very cute dress. All right, so question of the day: do you prefer a knee length dress for the summer, or do you prefer maxi dresses, the longer length ankles or floor dresses? Let me know in the comments. I'm torn. Sometimes I don't like my knees out because I'm just cold. It's a cold natured thing. I like to be fully covered up because I go places, and if any parts of my body are exposed, I'm cold. If just my face is exposed, my nose is cold, my hands get cold, my feet get cold. So sometimes that's why I prefer a maxi, but I do like a maxi dress. I think I prefer a maxi over a shorter knee length dress, or a mini or a midi or mini. All right, so let me know in the comments which one you prefer. All right, so that is it. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one.